On your desktop, open Quick P Production. Click the power button and then click on Full Turn On. On the right-hand side of the machine, open the bottom doors to access the waste container. Check the level of the waste tank. If it's full, then it should be disposed of appropriately. At the rear of the machine, check the fixation fluid container gauge to ensure that it is at the maximum level. Examine the printing pallets and surrounding areas for rust, dust, and other debris. This area should be kept clean at all times. The software will prompt you to clean the printheads. These will be in a position to allow you to clean them with wiping fluid and lint-free wipes. Soak the lint-free wipes with Kornit wiping fluid and clean the head from the back to the front. Repeat this for each color. Finally, clean the ink wipers using wiping fluid and new lint-free wipes.